Hi guys, it's Natalie. Welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm in my pajamas and have all kinds of crazy makeup on my face, but you know that my looks are always crazy. I feel like I really just shouldn't apologize for them anymore because this is what they're always gonna be like, and that's just how it is. And my hair is not gray. I always get makeup in my hair, and now that it's like so dark you can really see it. So that's what this is. I don't really have gray hair that I know of. I don't think I do. So anyway, and if you hear some noises, it's Sean. He's playing on the floor and I'm trying to do this while he plays. So anyway, guys, we hit 1,000 subs, so that's exciting. Yay! Woo! We have a new giveaway. Yay! Woo! So that's exciting. Got my GoPro. I did a little filming. Oh my god, I got so scared. I was in there alone and I was like with my GoPro. Hi guys, this is a massager palette. Like, so if it stinks, like, I'm sorry. I was nervous. I don't know why, because there weren't a lot of, they were like closing, so I felt like they were watching everyone and I just felt weird. So I think next time I go to film, I'm gonna take someone with me to film, because then I won't like be so weird like filming their products. I don't know. I guess I shouldn't really care, right? I mean, everyone uses stuff like that nowadays. Like, they have their phones and they're filming stuff. Like, I shouldn't feel weird, right? Tell me I shouldn't feel weird. Here's Shawnee. So anyway, did that. Oh yeah, so that's what this video is. I'm gonna show you around Marshall's. Bear with me, it kind of stinks. I'm gonna get better. I'm gonna try to do another one this week because I actually really like to do those videos and people seem to kind of like them. So yeah, I want to do Nordstrom Rack if I can get there. There's one by me. So that's what this video is. So here we go. We are gonna go look at what I saw at Marshall's right now. Do I have any other announcements to make? I don't think so. I think that's it. Okay, alright, here we go. Wait, I was going this way last time and I realized that I gotta go this way to be like, and here we are going into the video. It's like that way, not that way. So alright, here we go. We are in Marshall's. Philosophy. Oil-free oxygenated gel cream, $7.99. They have a bunch of all natural stuff. Some brushes from the cream shop. They have a lot of brushes that are like nothing amazing. They have the Real Techniques. Oh, that's actually interesting to me for $2.99. I thought this was cute, a makeup cleaning pad. They have the sponges, some Real Techniques sponges that are not bad, actually. Those are not a bad deal. Oh, it looks like they do have some good stuff. Let's see what they have. Elf mattifying bubble mask. Daily cleanser, $2.99. More cream shop brushes, and then they have all the Elf products here, which I don't know. I don't think you guys really want to see that. So they have these knockoff palettes because we know how like unicorns and mermaids are the thing right now. These are $5.99. Here's a knockoff of, or the Tarte one. Another mermaid one. Lots of mascara. No exciting mascaras over here though. Then they have, let's see, the Glam Glow for $9.99 Pout Mud. They have some lip kits, but nothing exciting. Nicole Miller. They did have some MAC ones. I wonder if they still have them. Let's see what kind of skincare. They really have nothing exciting right now. So they have Glam Glow Flash Mud, $49.99. Gentle Exfoliating Peel, $3.99. Clinique. Oh my gosh, this is what I use. Oh my gosh, I pay so much for this at Sephora. And this looks like it's the same size as what I use. $29.99 for the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Wow, that's crazy. And it comes with 2 of them. I can't believe that. Another little Clinique. Oh my gosh, these are cute. $15.99. Lots of Shiseido. Oh my gosh. Wow. They have some nice stuff here. We have the e.l.f. set down there. I bought one of these, and I actually really like it. A vitamin C one. It doesn't look like they have it. I've never heard about this brand. If you guys have, let me know. I've been using it at night, and I seem to like it so far. Oh, it's one of, they don't have it, but it looks like that. They have Philosophy, $11.99. I'm trying to do this so people don't see me, if that's why I seem super weird right now. Weirder than usual. Okay, so they have these by like Storybook Cosmetics, these brush sets for $6. A ton of Anastasia, I just can't even believe it. So many singles for $4.99. The Aurora, the lip palettes. I might just buy one of these lip palettes. I keep looking at them. Oh, Lorac. I'm gonna look at this. I'm probably gonna end up getting some stuff. A lot of the lip palettes. They don't seem to have any of the contour kits left. Oh yeah, they do back here. They have contour kits. What is this? What brand is this? It's so cute. Oh. Eyeshadow on flat iron. I have no idea what this is. I don't understand. Loose setting powder. This brand looks so cool. I want to try it, but it's so messed up, all the stuff. Anastasia lip colors. They have Bite, Too Faced, but it's kind of picked over. They have, I don't know what that is. They have some Kat Von D eyeshadow primer, a bunch of Melteds. They're all like the same. And then a bunch of like knockoff makeups. Like, look at this metal one. Oh, look, here's the MAC thing. How much is it? $24.99. If I had money, I would buy this stuff. Metal palette. Okay, let me look at this. The Lorac thing. Highlighter and matte bronzer duo. I'm not going to touch it because it hasn't been touched, but it's actually really pretty. Let's see if they have any clearance makeup. Want to? Let's see. Oh, they got all kinds of crap everywhere. I'm disappointed. I heard some other Marshalls had some great stuff right now, and I was looking forward to it. Here's a little Bite lipstick. $10. That's not worth it, and it's beat up. Green tea essence sheet masks. Some cream shop. I actually really like the cream shop masks. I do. $4.50. That's not bad. Bite lipstick. Bedhead. Anastasia contour kit. Oh, this one must be, something must have happened to it. Shiseido oil blotting paper. I have a Stila for $8. It's messed up though. See? So you gotta decide if it's worth it sometimes when there's the messed up ones. I mean, you can sanitize them, you know. More Shiseido. Moisturizing gel cream, $16. I'm about to check that out and see what it's like. Too Faced lipstick that I would, oh, here it is. Let's see how messed up it is. Look, you can already see all the, oh my gosh. Maybe I'm gonna buy some Shiseido stuff. They seem to have so much. I wish I could find some good vitamin C cream. That's really what I want right now. Super corrective eye cream, $28. I wonder what's up with this, why it's reduced. Oh, the lid. Look at the lid. I'm not really a perfume person. Never have been, never will be. Ain't how I roll. Look. For $13.99. I kind of want this. I always wanted to try Peter Thomas Roth. I might get this. This is a great find. I'm so glad I walked over here. I feel so weird. I have you guys like hit, like, I look like a weirdo. For real. I love, this is my deodorant. It's all over the place now. It's the best. It's thebomb.com, guys. Look at all their face wipes. Like, how could you ever need to go anywhere other than here is the real question. Look at this. That's so cute for $29.99. I want to try a vitamin C cream, but I just don't know which one to get. And I'm like, maybe I should wait till I go to the dermatologist and have them tell me what a good one is. This is cute too. Look, $13.99. I don't think I showed that one. I showed the other one. What is this? 19. Is this a moisturizer? Oh, here's all their masks. They have some cool ones. Look, they've got Boscia down here. Look at this. $3.99. Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Masks. Ooh. $39.99. Bamboo Charcoal Facial Mask. I feel like I should buy this just because. Should I buy this weird thing? No, I'm just wasting money. This is what I do, is come in places and waste money. What is this? Like a Clarisonic, but not a real one. I should buy it. I wonder if it works. Do you have to have the name brand Clarisonic for it to work? I don't know. Oh, this one looks like legit, right? I'm about to try it. I wonder if they really work. I don't know. You guys gotta tell me what you think of your Clarisonics. Okay, here's more masks. See, I'm telling you, they have great masks. I think they do. They have so many. Is that Dirty Works? Yeah. Cream Shop, Pineapple Enzyme. They have so many. Oh my gosh, look, they got new lip ones. I'm getting this. I've never used the gold one. I'm super excited. The Boscia. Huh. And then they have eye ones. Pore thingies. Why is this so weird? Look at this. It's weird. I don't know. Alright, this is it. There's really nothing much else here. I am getting these lip ones. I want this Puma hat too. I hate when stuff, oh, $8. It's just sitting there and you're like, man, I should buy it. Okay guys, so I know it wasn't the greatest, but that was it. Tell me if you guys like those kind of videos. I know, okay, as I said, I know the quality wasn't great, but if I did it a little bit better, like as I get used to doing it, do you like videos like that? Or what other kind of things would you like to see me film with my GoPro? Please let me know down below. You know the drill. Please, I would mean a lot if you subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. Here comes Sean. Come say hi, Sean. Come here. Come here. And yeah, enter the giveaway on my Instagram, which is linked down below. Come over here and say hi. Come here.
Hi.
No, come up here. Here, let me hold you. Come on up.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Wave. You're waving to YouTube. You know YouTube, which we always watch? Yeah. You watch your fun videos on? This is going to be on YouTube, so I'll show it to you on there. Tell them what you want to tell them. Go ahead, say something important. Alright, we're going to go. So, love you guys. Here, say mwah. Do it, John. Mwah. Mwah. Bye. Wave. Mwah.